The other side has said that they want to take your deposition in your case. What should you expect? Are you nervous? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today about depositions. What are they and what should you expect? Before I get too deep into this video, I want to remind you that if you do have an attorney, that you should talk with your attorney about this, because your attorney will be able to answer your specific questions surrounding your case, and your attorney will be able to help prepare you for your deposition. The purpose of today's video is to give you just general information about depositions and what to expect. And I want to remind you that everything that I'm going to be talking about here is based on how things are done in Maryland and Maryland law. Okay, so what is a deposition? A deposition is a question and answer session in which there will be attorneys present. Your attorney will be present, and the attorneys for the other side will be present. And the attorney who is going to take your deposition will be asking you a series of questions surrounding the facts or surrounding the issues that are in your case. So that's essentially what it is. It's a question and answer session. Now, when we're talking about answering or you as the witness, you have to remember that your answers are being recorded and that your answers could be used at a later date. And so when you're giving that deposition, you have to remember to be truthful. If you don't want to be up there just talking and yapping and just saying anything. If you do not understand the question, it is okay to ask the attorney, can you repeat the question? Or I don't understand what you're asking. Can you rephrase it, or can you word it a different way? That is okay, because like I said, you don't want to just be in the deposition just making things up or answering questions and you really don't understand, what the question is. So while you're talking in your deposition, there's going to be a court reporter, and that court reporter is going to be in there taking down everything that you say. So when you say something, it's going to go down with the court reporter. You got to also remember that in some depositions, you may be recorded. So there may be a videographer in there, and that person will have a video, and the video will be recording everything that you do. So your mannerisms, how you're looking, all of that, your demeanor, all of that, the video will take all of that down. Before you go to your deposition, you will know, or you should know, what type of deposition this is going to be. Will there be a video there, or is it just going to be a court reporter taking everything down? You should know that beforehand. And if you don't know, be sure to ask your attorney. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this? Because I know that depositions can make a lot of people nervous, because a lot of times they just don't know what to expect. And I'm hoping that this video today was able to give you a little bit of insight as to what a deposition is and, what to expect. Who are the players in the room and what their roles are. If you have questions about an injury that occurred to you in Maryland, if a medical malpractice issue or a wrongful death or a childbirth injury, and you would like to speak with someone about that, and you want to talk with me about what you got going on, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.